break it down the right way, you start realizing that becoming your own reporting source is not only doable, it is actually one of the smartest ways to build credit the right way without begging for trade lines or waiting for someone else to post information on your behalf. What you are building is a bridge between you and them, and that bridge needs four things to exist: a clean workspace, a way to store and organize account data, a Metro 2 software or system that formats everything correctly, and a secure method to deliver those files to the bureaus without exposing sensitive information. When you think workspace, most people picture cubicles or big offices, but what you actually need is a private room, a locked door, and a clean desk with nothing unnecessary on it. You want a dedicated computer, not your personal laptop, not the same device you scroll social media on, but a machine that is used for one thing, only managing and reporting account information. That alone increases your professionalism and your security. Instantly, when the bureaus ask you later about your setup, you can confidently say, yes, my workspace is isolated, my system is secure, and my data is protected. The next piece is how you store and organize data, and this matters because every mistake in reporting comes from sloppy data handling. If your information is disorganized, then your Metro 2 files will be disorganized, which leads to rejections from the bureaus. So you want to build a simple but clean folder system with three categories: consumer data reporting files and dispute files. Consumer data holds the core information like names, dates of birth, addresses, account details, balances, and statuses. Reporting files hold every Metro 2 file you submit month by month with the date clearly marked, and dispute files hold every consumer interaction, documentation, communication, and outcome of any dispute that comes in from the Oscar or directly from the bureaus. A lot of people think you need to be a coder for this part, but you do not. Metro 2 software already exists and is designed to do the hard formatting work for you. Programs like Credit Manager software are built to let you input account information into simple boxes, and the software then converts it into a Metro 2 file automatically. This saves you from dealing with fixed width fields and makes reporting something you can do even if you know nothing about programming. The only responsibility you have is to make sure the information going into the software is accurate, because the output can only be as clean as the input. But begin with sample data, not real data, not consumer accounts, not portfolios, just sample entries you create for the purpose of testing the system. You can generate synthetic names and fake account information using tools like Mockaroo or random data generators. You then input this test data into your Metro 2 software and export your first Metro 2 file. That file becomes your practice file. It is the sandbox where you learn the rhythm of the system before touching anything real. Once you have your first test file exported, you will want to run it through error checks. Your software will tell you if anything is misaligned, and if the software does not catch an issue, the bureaus will when they look at your file. So testing prevents embarrassment and makes you look competent. Even if your Metro 2 file is perfect, they will not accept it through regular email or regular upload, because Metro 2 files contain sensitive information that must be transferred through encrypted channels. So you need a secure file transfer protocol, also known as SFTP. Credit is built intentionally, not accidentally. Banks do not just hope their customers' payments get reported. They have a system they built for that purpose.